channel. It's Celia Bosco here on my health and fitness lifestyle. I'm so glad to be back with you and sharing this video, a beginner workout video for you to see. I hope you guys can try it. I know if you are a beginner, don't worry, everyone starts somewhere. I also was like that, and I just want to share some workout that I still doing that now and the quarantine at home. Very easy and you can just try it at home. If you're a beginner, you can just do as many reps as you can. Don't really force yourself because you have to listen to your body as well. If this is the first time, I believe next time you can keep increasing yourself, doing more reps as you can. If you guys like this kind of video, don't forget to give a thumbs up so that I know if you like this video. Your comment down below as well if you want to see more other kind of workout for me to do, and connect with me as well. Be my friends on Instagram, Celia Bosco there, so we can get more connected and be a family. Turn on the notification bells down below so whenever I upload new video, you guys can get notified. Okay guys, let's just go directly into the workout sessions. Here it is. 3, 2, 1.
Okay guys, so there are 9 movements here that you can do all in one circuit together, 30 seconds each movement, and just go continuously. Rest in the end of this 9 movement for 30 till 60 seconds and redo again the same circuit as many reps as you can. So here is the first movement, which is high knees. This movement is actually very good to increase your heart rate so that it can be considered as a warm-up as well before you enter into the main workout. You can do this movement for about 30 seconds and continue go into the next one, which is kick back. You can do this kickback for another 30 seconds and go immediately into the jumping jacks right afterwards for another 30 seconds as well. And now you're gonna feel your heart rate pump up already, which will bring you into the main workout, that is regular squat. When you do squat, it is very important to make it in a correct way so it will connect into the muscle you want to work with, which is doing a movement like sitting in a 45 degrees angle. The next one is sumo squat. It is the same as regular squat, but this one will work more into your inner thigh. So make sure to do it in a correct way as well, just like what I do in this video. The next one is wall sit. So if you're a beginner and not good enough to do squat in a correct way, you can start practicing by doing a wall sit just like this in 30 seconds in 45 degrees angle. So it will adjust your posture to do a correct squat. The next one is lunges. I usually call this a friend of squat because I think it looks pretty much the same as squat, but here it will work more into your butt and lower body. So you can do both sides in 30 seconds and change into another side for another 30 seconds. You can also have a little rest for 10 seconds if you want. Make sure you really feel the muscle connections there. Next is the last workout, which is shoulder tap. Just follow the movement I'm doing in 30 seconds and then go for mountain climber just like this, and that's it, the basic workout that you guys can try at home for a beginner. Good luck!
Okay guys, how's the workout? I believe that you guys feeling really sweat, really exhausted, but it is normal, especially if you're a beginner. Don't worry, everything will be alright, and I believe you guys can keep working out at home even in this hard situation. Please don't make any excuse. It is just 15 and 30 minutes. You have the whole hours at home to do anything, and don't make an excuse. Just moving your body for just 15 to 30 minutes at home. If you guys try it at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would really love to see it and supporting each other. Stay home, stay safe, stay productive, stay healthy. I'm Celia Bosco on my health and fitness lifestyle, sending you thousands of love and positive vibes. I'll see you